morning. Where to tayo, sir?
Pasay, Sitio Uno, Malibay.
Oh. Sitio Uno. I know that place. It's a place of no return, sir. If you get in, you cannot get out. By the way, sir, first time here in the Philippines?
Pinoy ako, Manong. Marunong ako magtagalog.
Pinoy ka pala. Buti na lang hindi ka purong Amerikano kasi 1 kilo lang yung dala kong English eh. Paubos na. By the way, just relax. Take a seat.